Debbie.
And I'm Demi.
We're going to go over the orientation system today, and here's our video.
Miss Dedden.
Hi.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. I'm here for tutoring.
Okay.
So I need help with the anatomical terms of the human body.
Okay, perfect. I was just going it over with another student, so it's already up.
I have a few that I don't really know, so do you care if I just write the ones that I don't know?
No, sure, go ahead.
Okay.
Are you gonna, let's go ahead and just put a star by the ones you do know, and then the other, we'll go ahead, put the star by the ones you don't know.
Okay.
And then we'll go ahead and label those so that way you can remember those for the test.
Okay, sounds good. I have notes from what we took in class the other day.
That's fine. So you don't remember. Is it basically, is there a few from the different sections, like the head, the front? Okay,
Yeah.
so it's not just all from one section?
No.
Okay. Just wanted to make sure.
Okay, sorry.
No, you're good. So, the cephalic, the oral, the otic,
And then sternal mammary. Is that how you say it? Okay.
Yep. So you know the words, you just don't know exactly where they go in the body. Okay.
Yeah. And then I have the back, and that's and the leg. Yeah. And it's really on every kind of part of the body. Just a few of them that I don't really know.
Okay. No big deal. We'll go over them. I'm glad you came in now instead of waiting.
Well, I'm just happy I did too because I know the test is soon. The final's coming up.
Yep.
What is that, next week?
Next week sometime.
Okay, so I have to get this nailed. Okay.
Okay. So the ones that you put the bullets by are the ones that you don't remember, right? Okay. Well, let's start with this one. It's the cephalic, which is the whole head. That's number one.
Okay.
Okay. The next one is oral, which is the mouth.
Okay.
And then buccal.
I know buccal is the cheek. I do remember that one actually.
Okay. Perfect. The otic is the ear.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go to the front of the body. The sternal is going to be...
Is that the chest area?
Yep,
okay.
you're right. It's the line right between the breast, just the hard piece in the middle of your chest. That's the sternal. And then mammary, I always remember it as like a woman getting a mammogram. So
it's a breast.
breast.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Abdominal is your abs, obviously, so it's pretty much your stomach area.
Okay.
So that one's going to be
easy.
Yeah, you just have to
I'll
remember.
just remember abs.
Yep. And then looks like that's the only one you have on the front. So let's go over to the arm. You have acromial that you don't remember, and that's going to be the shoulder.
Okay.
And then, do you know how to pronounce the next one?
Brachial?
Yep, you're right. And that's going to be right here by your bicep. I remember the B and the B.
Okay.
So just kind of keep that in the back of your mind. Okay. And then the antebrachial is the forearm. I just remember that it's under the brachial.
Okay.
So just kind of remember that one also. That's probably going to be the easiest one because you can just remember it's
brachial
under.
and antebrachial.
Yep.
Okay.
Carpal, that one's kind of hard. That's your wrist. And then the leg region, kind of, the coxal is going to be your hip.
Okay.
And I kind of remember coxal. I remember the X as in like the axis where you can move your body. That's kind of how I remember.
Easy.
Yeah.
Okay. I never thought of it that way.
And then femoral is going to be your thigh. Tarsal. Tarsal's kind of hard. That one's going to be your ankle.
See, I always get tarsal and pedal always mixed up.
Okay, I know
it's on your foot. It's just
remember,
confusing.
pedal is the one that you push your car pedal, like the gas with.
Okay.
So that's an easy way to remember that one. And then tarsal is your ankle. Occipital is going to be the back of your neck.
Okay. What's the front of the neck called again?
The cervical.
Okay.
Cervical is going to be the front of your neck. The vertebral.
I know that's the spine.
Yep, you're right. Which is just like your vertebrae. And then gluteal. Do you remember that one? That one's kind of easy.
Your butt, I
Yep.
think? Yeah.
Yep,
Okay.
you're right. So you remember some of these.
That's just better for me to get over them now.
No, I completely agree. And then do you remember the plantar?
No.
Okay. It's the bottom of your foot, if you remember plantar warts.
Okay.
That's kind of where you normally get those, so that's an easier way to remember that one. Are there any more questions you have on any of the other ones? Just to go over them?
I think I'm good.
You think you're good?
Yeah, I think I'm good.
Okay. Well, if you have any more questions at all this week, you can always come back in and just ask me. We can always do this again.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Sounds
Awesome.
good. All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Bye. You too.